Stop walking around. Let me hear. Nurse? Anybody? What's back here?
Over the storage area?
Is it storage? Yep, storage.
This nurse's like scary.
Oh, what's that? Like a little music box?
Let me see.
If you're a live human, you show yourself. You're not supposed to be in this building. We will put you in jail. Whoa. Whoa, that was over here in that room.
I know this came from over here, but
There's no water dripping.
Yes, there is.
there is.
Okay.
It's not, it didn't make that out.
It's like something hit that pan. Yep, that's what we heard. It hit that pan. Damn, this water dripping is throwing me off
Yeah,
big time.
it does. It makes you think there's walking, but it's
Stacy,
not.
are you in here?